mwalimu mkuu, walimu, board of management, wazazi, wanafunzi, hamjambo? Munyaka Secondary School, hamjambo? Happy New Year. God is good and all the time. Nisalimieni kwa hiyo. Bwana Yesu asifiwe. Bwana Yesu asifiwe tena. Asante sana Munyaka Secondary School kwa kutukaribisha. Na asante sana kwa hiyo warembo, kwa hiyo wimbo nzuri. Tumezungumza vizuri, tumesikia vizuri. And we are happy to be here and thank you for welcoming us. I'm sorry we are in a hurry. We have another meeting in Maina. We still have to go to Nairobi. We just came to see this school and how you are doing. The member of parliament, Wachira Karani, came to see me. Akasema tupitie hapa, mko na shida mingi. Si ndio? Na ni kweli tumeona mko na shida. At least ya hii hall tumeona. Hata tukijifanya hatuoni, tunaona. So, I think we need to help you, isn't it? Are you working hard? Yes. Are you working hard? Yes. Munatia bidii kabisa? Yes. Munaheshimu walimu? Yes. Munafanya homework? Yes. Kabisa? Yes. I'll come to find out. Ningetaka nikuje nikiwa na nafasi, so that we have time to see your school, to find out how you are doing. But let me say, our government, led by President William Ruto, is very keen on education for our children, because you are the future of our country. And we have invested a lot. Education takes 27% of our entire budget because of the importance of education. That is why when we came into office, the president set up the Presidential Working Party on educational reforms to address matters of CBC and other concerns. And things are going on very well. We have worked on a new financing model for university education, and I want to encourage you to work hard so that you can go to university. Are you going to work hard? Yes. How many of you want to be deputy president one day? Kila mtu? How many want to be a judge? How many want to be lawyers? How many want to be doctors? How many want to be engineers? How many want to be teachers? How many want to be policemen? Basa, nyinyi muko sawa. So I want to say thank you very much. Mwalim, I've heard that you need 13 million shillings. This is what we do. Today, I'll give you 5 million shillings. Wanze, so that you can roof. Ukiendelea ikimalizika, I give you another 5 million. Naye mjumbe apeane milioni 3 ya CDF. So that's okay. Sio tumekubaliana? Wapi mwalimu? This one will put in your account 5 million. Wanza hii kazi, you roof. Ndio tuweze kuendelea. Sio tumekubaliana? Alao hawa watoto nitawapangia safari ya kwenda kucheza pahali fulani. Mtapanga. I'll arrange. Let me introduce viongozi tumekuja nao. Governor wetu, mnamjua? Joshua Irogo, mpigie makofi. Senator wetu John Kenywa, mpigie makofi. Women rep wetu Jane Kagiri, makofi. Deputy Governor Bwana Kamuri, mpigieni makofi. Mjumbe wetu wa pale Mkril Dikil pale Narok, Johanna Ngeno, pigie makofi. Mjumbe wa Manyata Embu Gitonga Mukoji, pigie makofi. PS wetu wa defense alikuwa mjumbe hapa, anaitwa Patrick Marino, pigieni makofi. Huyu ni mjumbe wa kina mama wa Kiambu, anaitwa Ann Wanjiko wa Muradha. Huyu ni chuma ya zamani, mjumbe wetu wa Naivasha Jane Kehara. Huyu ni mjumbe wa second term pale Subukia, anaitwa Samuel Gachove. Na hii yote ni timu moja. Hapa tuko na mjumbe wa Molo anaitwa Kuria Kimani aka KK. Tuko na senator wa Nyandarua anaitwa Medhu Kavamedhu. Tuko na immediate former women rep wa Laikipia, Honorable Kate Waruguru. Na sisi zote ni timu moja ya President William Ruto. Sawa sawa? Sasa vile nimekuja nitengenezee nyinyi kalanchi kidogo. Special. Mutakula siku gani? No, kesho ni mapema sana. Maybe the following day.
In this school, we have a total of 28 TSC teachers and 6 BOM teachers. We have 13 support staff, and we are doing very well. We want to appreciate our Honorable MP, Dr. Karani, for bringing you here today. I remember last year when he came around, he saw our incomplete multipurpose hall. He saw our incomplete dining hall, and there is one thing he assured me, and he has actually fulfilled it. He promised me that when Your Excellency, you will visit Nyahururu, he will bring you to this school. Today, I must say that we have seen the light at the end of the tunnel. There is hope for this school. The major challenge, Your Excellency, that we are facing in this school is our students not having somewhere or a dining hall where they can have their meals or even hold the meetings. Whenever we have the meetings or whenever they are taking their meals, they normally go back to their classes, especially during the rainy days, or they just eat from outside. So this is a project that was initiated by the parents. It is a project that is estimated to cost 20 million shillings. So far, to get to the rental level, we have spent 7 million. So we have a shortfall of 13 million, and we believe that with your presence today, we'll be able to get somewhere. The other challenge that we have, Our Excellency, in this school, as you see this population of the students, we have a shortage of teaching staff. We have a total of 28 teachers, TSC employed, and 6 teachers employed by the BOM. The 6 teachers who are employed by the BOM, they are taken care of by the parents. And our parents, because they come from a very humble background, we face a challenge when it comes to paying their salaries. So I would request you kindly, Your Excellency, to request the TSC at least to employ TSC teachers in this school, and if possible, employ the very hard-working and committed teachers who are in this school, if it will be possible. We are very grateful, and in a very special way, I want to appreciate our area MP, Dr. Karani, because he has been very supportive. He has really assisted us. He has already constructed a library for us. He has given us a huge amount of bursary for the needy students, and he's also supporting about 32 students, sponsoring them from Form 1 to Form 4. Let me also finally appreciate our governor and our MCA, because this year they allocated a huge amount. It was the biggest in Iguamete ward. So I really appreciate you. Because of time, I will end my speech there. Thank you so much, Your Excellency, for coming, and may God bless you.